Good morning, children. We have done exercise 6a, only addition of algebraic expressions. Okay. Now today we will do exercise 6b, subtraction of algebraic expression. So for subtraction, as I've explained you in the Zoom session also, we like subtract 4x from 3x. Then we will write 3x first and then 4x, and for subtraction we will change the sign will be the sign, whatever sign the last term have उसका opposite sign हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So now it is 3x minus 4x. Okay, so that will be minus x. Okay, similarly I'm giving you one more example, like 2x square minus 3y square from x square minus y square. Okay, subtract 2x square minus 3y square from x square minus y square. So we will write this one first, x square minus y square, and now we have to subtract 2x square minus 3y square from it. So for this first we have to change the sign जो भी sign है इस term का उसका opposite sign. So if there is no sign, it means ये plus है, plus का opposite हो जाएगा minus. Okay, and this minus sign will change into plus sign, opposite sign use होगा. ठीक है. So now 3y square and minus y square, so subtraction हो जाएगा plus 2y square, 3 minus 1 that is 2y square, 2x minus 2x square and plus x square. So unlike sign है subtraction होगा 2 minus 1x square, that is x square. Okay, so minus x square plus 2y square, यानी कि जो सेकेंड वाला जो टर्म्स होंगे उसका आपको साइन चेंज करना है, अपोजिट साइन हो जाएगा. ओके, अगेन फिर आपको कॉलम इसमें अरेंज करके इसको सॉल्व करना है. ओके, नाउ विल डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हम करेंगे अभी. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फर्स्ट पार्ट इज subtract minus 8xy from 7xy. Okay, so first we will write 7xy, then minus 8xy, and in subtraction there will be change in the sign, so minus will change into plus. Okay, now this 8xy is with plus sign, so 7 and 8 both are having the same sign. Okay, so 7 and 8 15 x y. सो एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में ओनली कांस्टेंट टर्म्स जो है ना उनको एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं. जो वेरिएबल्स हैं, वेरिएबल्स विल बी एज इट इज़. ठीक है, वेरिएबल्स को आप एज इट इज़ लिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट सिक्स्थ पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज x माइनस वाई प्लस 3z, मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्ट x माइनस वाई प्लस 3z फ्रॉम 2z minus x minus 3y. Okay, so first we will write this term. So arrange them in ascending order, x y z alphabetical order में आप arrange करें से minus x minus 3y and plus 2z x y z alphabetical order. Then next term x minus y plus 3z. now change the sign जो भी है लास्ट वाली जो पॉलिनोमियल है उसका अपोजिट साइन हो जाएगा, प्लस माइनस में चेंज होगा, माइनस प्लस में चेंज होगा, एंड प्लस विल चेंज इनटू माइनस. नाउ दिस 3z इज विथ माइनस साइन एंड दिस y इज विथ प्लस साइन एंड x इज विथ माइनस साइन. सो 3z minus 3z and plus 2z, so 3 minus 2 will be 1. Okay, 1z, but 1 will be of minus, so 1z, or we can just write z. Okay, 1 लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं, बिकॉज इट इज़ वेल नोन इफ ओनली z इज देयर, दैट मीन्स 1z. ओके, नाउ minus 3y and plus y, so minus 3y plus y means 1y. Okay, so 3 minus 1, that is 2y, and greater number is of minus, so it will be minus 2y. And next is minus x and minus x, so both are with similar signs, so it will be minus and minus. We will add them, but sign will be minus only. 1 and 1 2 2x. So the answer is minus 2x, minus 2y and minus z. Okay. Now question number 4 is subtract the sum of 8m minus 7n plus 6p square and minus 3m minus 4n minus p square from the sum of 2m plus 4n minus 3p square and minus m minus n and minus p square. क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है? क्वेश्चन में ये है कि पहले तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू ऐड दीज टू, ओके, एंड दिस टर्म सेपरेटली. ओके, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ऐड दीज टू एंड दीज टू सेपरेटली. उसके बाद क्या करना है, जो इसका सम आता है, ओके, द सम फर्स्ट जो भी सम आ रहा है उसको उस फ्रॉम दिस सम यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द सम ऑफ दीज टू. ओके, यानी कि पहले फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ऐड दीज टू और इनका जो आंसर आता है, जो सम आता है, उसमें से आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है इनका सम. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व दिस. So we will add them 2m plus 4n minus 3p square plus, now add them, plus minus m minus n minus p square. Okay, and second one is 8m minus 7n plus 6p square plus 3m minus 4n माइनस पी स्क्वायर. ओके, जो भी साइन है वी विल ब्रिंग दैम विथ देयर साइन ओनली. ओके, नाउ बोथ आर माइनस विथ माइनस साइन, सो 3 and 1 4 p square. ओके, 4 minus 1 that will be 3n. okay, 2 minus 1 will be 1 m, that is m. Okay, next is this one 6p square and minus 1p square, so that will be 5p square plus 5p square because 6 में से 1 माइनस कर देंगे हम. ठीक है, 7 and 4 both are with same sign, so we will add them but the sign will be of the greater number. 7 plus 4 11 n. now 8 and 3 opposite signs है, so greater number वाला sign आएगा, that will be plus 5 and m. okay, subtraction होगा. अब क्या करना है आपको, फ्रॉम दिस यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस. ओके, सो m प्लस 3n माइनस 4p स्क्वायर 5m minus 11n plus 5p square. So as we know in subtraction we have to change the sign of the second term. So it will be minus, this will be plus and this will be minus. Okay, both are with same sign, so add होगा लेकिन sign होगा, sign will be of the greater number. 11 plus 3 14 n and 5 minus 1 that will be 4m. 4m plus 14n plus minus 9p square. Okay, this is the answer. So now you have to do the remaining part of the question number 2 and question number 3 and 5 in your notebook. Okay, now let us start exercise 6b, that is based on multiplication. As I've explained you that in multiplication the powers of variable will be added and the constant term will be multiplied by the constant terms. Okay, let's solve it in some examples. Now exercise 6b, that is multiplication. अब multiplication कैसे होता है, like 2ab multiplied by 4a square bc. Okay, so now first we will multiply the constant term with constant term. So 2 multiplied by 4. Okay, multiplied by, now variables की powers जो होगी add हो जाएंगे. So here it is 1 plus there is 2 power. Okay, b की power यहाँ 1 है, 1 and here also 1, so 1 plus 1 and c की power 1 ही है. Okay, so 2 4s are 8, a raised to power 3, a cube हो गया, b square हो गया and c power 1 और no need to write any power, 1 power जैसे only c लिखा है that means इसकी power 1 है. So in this way we can multiply two algebraic expressions, two or more algebraic expressions. तो हमेशा पावर्स जो होंगी वेरिएबल्स की ऐड हो जाएंगी एंड कांस्टेंट टर्म विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द कांस्टेंट टर्म. लेट अस टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. So next example is minus 4 by 3 xy cube multiplied by 6 by 7 x square y. Now just multiply constant term with constant term and variables. We will add the power. x की power यहाँ 1 है and there 2. y की power यहाँ 3 है and there only 1. So now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay, अब cancel नहीं हो रहा कुछ भी. So minus 4 multiplied by 2, 4 2s are 8 and minus plus will be minus and 7 1s are 7. x power हो गई cube, y power हो गई 4. Okay, this is how we can multiply algebraic expressions. Okay, now let us start exercise 6b. Question number 1, find the product. Now first part is 3a square multiplied by 8a square. So we will multiply the constant term with constant term and the powers of variable will be added. So 2 and 2 power will be 4, a raised to power 4 and 3 8s are 24. Okay, next sixth question, that is minus 3 by 4 ab cube multiplied by minus 2 by 3 a square b raised to power 4. So again constant term will be multiplied by constant term and variables की powers add करेंगे. here only one power and there 2 and b 3 and plus 4. Okay, so now minus 1, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, minus 1. Okay, plus minus will be minus. Now minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 and 2 multiplied by 1, a cube and b raised to power 7. It will minus minus plus, plus 1 upon 2 1s are 2, a cube b raised to power 7. Now question number 11 is minus 7 by 5 x square y multiplied by 3 by 2 xy square multiplied by minus 6 by 5 x cube y cube. Okay, again first write the constant term minus 7 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 2 multiplied by minus 6 upon 5. Then variables x square plus here 1 power 1 plus here 3 power, y here 1 power, here 2 and there cube 3. Okay, so now let's check whether कुछ cancel हो रहा है इसमें. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, minus plus minus minus. Okay, अब कुछ भी cancel नहीं हो रहा है, so it will be minus 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 3 and 5 multiplied by 1 into 5. Okay, so x 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6 raised to power 6, y 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 6 y raised to power 6. Now 7 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63, 63 and minus minus plus 63 and 5 5s are 25, x raised to power 6 and y raised to power 6. Okay, question number 16 is ab square multiplied by minus b square c multiplied by minus a square c cube multiplied by minus 3ab c. Now plus minus यहाँ सब 1 1 है, 1 1 1 and 3. Okay, so it is 1 1 1 and 3, so it will be 3. Okay, plus minus 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 plus plus minus 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 3. Okay, now a raised to power 1 here 2 and there 1. Okay, b there 2 2 and here no and here 1. Okay, then c here 1 power, then 3 power and then 1. Okay, so it will be minus 3, a raised to power 4, b raised to power 5 and c raised to power 5. Okay, Now question number 19 is multiply minus 8 by 21 x square y cube by minus 7 by 16 x y square and verify your result. Verify your result for x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2. यानी कि फर्स्ट यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दैम. जो रिजल्ट आता है उसमें आपको वैल्यू पुट करनी है और आपको चेक करना है कि जो रिजल्ट में जो आंसर आ रहा है, ओके, आफ्टर पुटिंग द वैल्यू, एंड जो क्वेश्चन है उसमें भी हम एक्स एंड वाई की प्लेसेस पे वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. So left hand side and right hand side both are equal or not. Okay, so let's first multiply these. Minus 8 upon 21 x square y cube multiplied by minus 7 upon 16 x y square. Now constant terms will be multiplied by constant x square and plus 1 y cube and plus 2 powers added. Okay, 7 ones are 7 minus 1, 7 threes are 21, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So what is left here? Minus minus plus 1 and 3 twos are 6. X cube and y raised to power 5. Okay, this is our result. So we'll write it in RHS. इसको हम RHS साइड में लिखेंगे and this we will write in LHS. Okay, इसको हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लिखेंगे LHS. Okay. So now we will verify our answer. So minus 8 upon 21. Okay, ये verification है. Now minus 8 upon 21 multiplied by x square. That means x की वैल्यू क्या है? 3, 3 square. Then y cube. Y की प्लेस पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? 3. Sorry. In place of y we will write 2. 2 cube. Multiplied by minus 7 by 16. In place of x we will write 3 and in place of y square we will write 2 square. Okay, now minus 8 upon 21, 3 square will be 9. Okay, and 2 cube will be 8 multiplied by minus 7 upon 16 multiplied by 3 and 2 square, that is 4. Okay, अब जो कैंसिल हो रहे हैं उनको हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. लाइक 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. We can cancel it. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay, so now what is left? Minus 8 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 2, that is multiplied by minus 1. Okay, and denominator में only 1 है, so it will be 8 twos are 16 and 16 nines are 144. It will be 144 and minus minus will be plus, so the answer will be 144. This is our LHS. अब हम राइट हैंड साइड चेक करते हैं. राइट हैंड साइड क्या है? RHS. RHS था हमारा 1/6 x क्यूब y रेज टू पावर 5. सो 1/6 x की प्लेस पे हम लिखेंगे 3, 3 क्यूब एंड y की प्लेस पे हम लिखेंगे 2 raised to power 5. So now it is 1/6. 3 cube will be 27 and 5 raised to power 5 is 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 times आप जब करेंगे तो 32 आएगा. Now 3 2s are 6 and 3 9s are 27. 2 1s are 2 and 2 16 times 32. Now what is left? 9 into 16 and 16 9s are again 144. So our LHS and RHS and LHS both are equal. So this is how we can verify our answer. Okay, children, now note down your homework. That is exercise 6A. Do question number 2, second, third, fourth and fifth part, and question number 3 and 5. Okay, question number 6 is omitted from the exercise 6A. Now exercise 6B. Do question number 4, 5, 9, 10, 14, 15, 17, 18, 20 and 21. Okay, remaining questions are similar, so no need to do them again, but the question which I have solved in video, that also you have to note down. Okay, thank you.